turn your cheap mic into a $10,000 microphone. Antares Mic Mod review. We're gonna do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Jordxn once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually turn your cheap microphone into a $10,000 microphone using a simple plugin. And this plugin that we're gonna review is the Antares Mic Mod. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna use these vocals here. Let me drag one of them. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Comment, let me know where you are watching this video from. So let's listen to that.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
So the next thing I'm gonna do is to send it to the mixer track. Alright, I'm gonna send it to mixer track 1. Now let's open the mixer track. Then we're gonna introduce the mic mode from Antares. This is the Antares Mic Mod, which is a mic modulator. With this one, you can actually change your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone, guys. Alright, I'm gonna walk you through. So when you come here, you can see source mic. This is where you choose your microphone. I mean, the microphone that you use to record your vocals. You browse through and find out if your microphone is inside. Alright, my microphone is not over here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is to bypass the mic. The next thing that you have to pay attention to is the modeled mic. Alright, so if you choose, for instance, your mic is AKG 100S, then the modeled mic is which mic do you want to change. Alright, so if you want to change the AKG 100X to what mic, alright, this is super simple. Choose any microphone that you want from here. Now, for the sake of this video, my microphone is not over here, so what I'm gonna do is to bypass the mic source. Alright, then I'm gonna model my mic to one of the expensive microphones, which is the Sony C800G. Alright, so you're gonna click on that. Then guys, let's listen to these vocals, which was recorded with a cheap microphone, and now it's gonna sound like it was recorded with the Sony C800G microphone. So next thing I'm gonna do is to play the vocals, and I'm gonna explain the knobs here. So the proximity is how close or far you were to your microphone when you were recording. Alright, so let's crank the proximity knob for the source mic all the way up, and you're gonna understand what I'm talking about.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
You can hear that this one, we are sounding like we were not much closer to the microphone. Alright, the more you crank it to off, then the more closer you were to your microphone. Alright, this generic microphone. Alright, so just play with this one and this.
Am I dreaming?
Now you can also play with the proximity for the modeled mic, and we can actually exaggerate things. So I'm gonna play the vocals as I crank this all the way up.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
And you can choose from here the pattern, omni or cardio. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use the cardio. Then what you can also do is to control the output level. I mean the modeled mic. Let's exaggerate things.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
Then you can also add a little bit saturation to your vocals. I'm gonna exaggerate things whilst we play the vocals. Listen.
Am I dreaming?
right?
dreaming.
They're super simple. So if you don't have money to invest into any expensive microphone, you can go for the mic mode from Antares, and this is a mic modulator that you can actually change your microphone to any of the expensive microphones, AKGs. Think of the Blues, the Card, the Coast, the Jordxn microphone, then the Sony microphone, and even the Neumann microphones using this simple plugin. Alright, I want you to subscribe to the channel because in the next video we're gonna record vocals together with instruments in FL Studio, and we're gonna use this plugin to record the vocals. Alright, we're gonna do some settings. I'm gonna take you through simple. Alright, so subscribe so that you will not miss out this video. Alright, so now with the mic mode, listen,
Am I dreaming?
and without the mic mode, listen guys.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
Alright, so let's add reverb to it. Let's go for the normal fruity reverb from FL. Then I'm gonna increase the room size, the decay time, push it a little bit, then the delay time. Guys, listen to this, and I'm gonna control the send knob here. Alright, now listen to these vocals with the reverb and the mic mode. We are now sounding like the Sony C800G. Alright, listen.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming?
Super crazy. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. The name is Jordxn. Go and practice, come back for more. Alright, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.